So hello people, this is Moscarblog and today is a beautiful day because I have this ALPINA B5 bi-turbo with 621 horsepower and 800 Newton meters of torque in this beautiful color called Tanzanite blue. We've got these ALPINA badging here, the ALPINA front, they did a little changes to it. Look at the diffuser. We've got the LCI model, the 2021, the 2022 model of the 5 Series. We have these ALPINA wheels, the typical ALPINA wheels, and we've got a sporty brake here. Under the hood we have the well-known and beloved 4.4 V8 bi-turbo, like in my M5, but this one is different. This is based on the 550i, and they've tuned it to gain those 621 horsepower, and it sounds absolutely mean, like a muscle car. And it looks fairly similar to my M5, and it looks absolutely beautiful. We have this beautiful ALPINA key with the ALPINA lock button, the beautiful laser lights, and now let's take a look inside of this beautiful car. So we have the ALPINA door sill, we have the massaging seats, we have the individual tartufo leather with these beautiful wide accents. They look absolutely amazing and they are so comfortable to sit in. So let's step inside. We have here the ceramic applications, which look amazing. We have the ventilated seats, we have the heated seats, we've got the LCI big screen. Look at it, it's absolutely massive. The brown interior, we have a sunroof, and also on the back it's brown. We've got a lot of space in the back since this is the touring model, the ALPINA B5 Touring badge. Look at it, absolutely amazing. And let me show you some of its features right here. So this is it. This is the beautiful ALPINA B5, and when you switch it on, it goes all the way up to 340. So what we can change here and what we can have a look at is if we go to car, and if we go to car status, we can check everything the car needs, the check engine, the service, and everything like this. And here we have the cool things. We've got the sport displays, which are absolutely amazing. Oil temperature, the oil pressure, Newton meters and horsepower. Look at the Newton meters and horsepower. It's absolutely massive. And here we have the G-force. This is absolutely cool. Here it's showing you where the power is coming from, and that the engine is running. And here we have the safety systems we know out of the M5. We can switch them on and off here. Look, we go into individual, configure it individual, and here we can switch on if we want the car to steer itself, if you want it to honk when there is a stop sign, and many stuff like this. On the steering wheel we have these absolutely beautiful aluminium panels. They absolutely feel and sound abnormal. ALPINA badging here, ALPINA badging here, and we have also the ceramic applications all over here. So let's turn on the massaging seats and show you how this beauty of a car sounds from the outside, because we all want to hear that 4.4 V8. Before I'm showing you the amazing sound of the outside, let's have a look at these ALPINA brakes, and let's have a look at the rear of the car. LCI lights, absolutely amazing. ALPINA B5, quad exhausts, look at them, quad exhausts. And let's now get a little sound check of this beauty of an estate, the fastest estate in the world. This goes 325 kilometers per hour, and it's the fastest estate in the world. And let's get some sound of it. So people, let's now go on the Autobahn and take it for a top speed run. Let's try to see what we can hit. And of course we're gonna drive with the sport dials. Car feels absolutely fast. It's way more soft than my M5 competition. This would jump around at speeds like this. And this one's really stable and fast. Already 200, nearly 250. Let's get on the brakes here, because someone pulled out. So let's go again. Now we need to brake because it's too full. 220 currently. If this guy moves, we can give it full throttle again. And let's get on the brakes. Wow, the car is absolutely fast, and it's not hard or anything. It just drives the speed with so much ease that you don't care. Let's give it some full throttle again. 230, 240, 250. 260, 280, 290, 300. So let's go on the brakes here. And let's now try to turn around somewhere and go back. Currently trying to turn around. The car is not the most agile, but it certainly can corner. So we have to look here, nothing there. So let's go on the Autobahn again. Let's try a little race start. So we get the full acceleration of this car. Let's now do the race start and let's start flying. 315, 317, 320, 322, 325. This is the VMAX of this car. 328, 329. This is the fastest estate in the world. 330. And now let's brake. Wow, this was absolutely amazing. This car is seriously fast and it's so stable on the ground. My M5 competition would jump around at like 250, 270, and this is so planted to the ground. It's absolutely amazing to drive. It's perfect for the long distance journey. We actually managed to hit the top speed of it, which is absolutely amazing. So let's continue our night drive, or Autobahn drive, I mean. Let's put back the beautiful display, the sports display, and let's go. $250, $260, $270. Currently getting massage at $270. Absolutely amazing. $280, and now let's stop. The car definitely needs ceramic brakes, but the steel ones are also pretty good, but it's not so comfortable with braking at high speeds like the M5 is. The M5, you can brake it from 300 and it's completely calm, nothing moves. Here the car is a little bit shaky when you brake it. You have to be careful. So people, I hope you enjoyed this Autobahn drive of the ALPINA B5, this little review, as much as I did. Please subscribe, please leave a like, and I hope I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.